Hey everybody, we're just getting ready for the London session to open. But just to remind you that these videos I do, the live trading, this is just for informational, educational purposes. I'm not suggesting or recommending you take the same trades. You can if you want to, but it's up to you. I don't give signals, but I do share the trades that I take and explain to you why I take the trades, where I put the stop loss and take profit. And it's up to you to manage your own account and use good risk management. So let's jump over and look at the charts. XAU USD. There's a full chart. XAU USD on the 10-minute time frame. This is the time frame that I trade on as a day trader. And we have the Asia high at 4111.7 and the previous day high at 4120. So it didn't quite get up to yesterday's high. And then we have the low today on the Asia session at 4071, and we just broke below that. And London will be open in about 20 minutes. Europe is getting a little bit bearish here. Let's see what they're going to do. And our previous day low yesterday was 4029. You can see there, 4029. And there's Alex. Hey, boss. Good afternoon to you and myself. Yeah, it is afternoon. TGIF. Thank goodness it's Friday. I didn't want to come in earlier because we don't usually see much happening in that first hour of the London Open, but here, sure enough, they had a pretty big bearish move there. But usually it's kind of flat until the second hour, and we got about 20 minutes to go before the next top of the hour. I'm already in a good trade right now with the gold. I went short at way up there. What was it? 089, I believe it was. I believe I got in right. It was a little bit slow. Could have got it a little bit earlier, but I got in pretty good. And then stop loss was above 4103, right up here. But I've moved the stop loss down now. Trailing stop loss. But that's a good trade. So we'll let the profit run. It's got kind of weird here. It's just stuck on this 4078 level right in here. Just stuck right on that support level. And then made a little bit of a retracement, but now it's coming back down. So I can adjust my trend line now to our previous candle. And if we should go to the previous day low, that's way down there, eh? 4029. Maybe I can add this winning trade during the London session. We'll see. Yep, 3 p.m. Thai time. That's 1 hour after London opens. Usually the first hour of London, I don't know why, but it's usually quiet. They don't do too much. Then in the first hour, then they really start to get moving. So I had a trade in NASDAQ. We'll look at NASDAQ. and that was a mess. Was no clear direction today on Nasdaq. Look at that, no clear direction. It's kind of up and then down. Just readjust my trend line there and readjust this one here. So I was short earlier. I think I went short over here because I had this short indication here and it didn't work out. Got stopped out. Just a small loss, no big deal. But it looks like Nasdaq has turned bullish again. We had this bullish run up and a pullback, bullish run up, now a pullback, and starting the bullish run up again. So it looks like Nasdaq has turned bullish from the previous week, but it's still not much movement at all here, eh? Not much. Very tight range. And oil is doing nothing. Came down today to $80 and now back up to almost 82. So oil has been quiet. What's the DXY doing? DXY going down. Made a big run up and gold was going down. That makes sense. And now DXY going down and gold is not sure what it wants to do. 28,545, 28,545. I said 28,459 now. What do you say? 545. Uh, 28, 545. Okay, I'll keep my eye on that. If it rejects that, then you go short. Or what was your other level? 28,610. Okay. And that is very close to the resistance from the pivot points indicator that I use, 28,640. So if it's going to go up there, it might, yeah, I would wait for that one, the second one, 28,610. And if we get a rejection in this zone, then it might be a good short. I'll keep my eye on that. I just did an analysis with AI, and it told me about Nasdaq. It says what did it say here? It's a thin setup. No, AI did not give me any recommendation on a Nasdaq trade right now at the moment, and nothing also on gold. They gave me that two recommendations this morning from AI on Nasdaq and on gold, and the gold one worked out really well, but the Nasdaq did not work out. I put alerts on my trend line. I think I haven't. I thought I had an alert on that one, but apparently not. Oh yeah, I do. Okay. The alert is set on the trend line. Can I put the alerts on a horizontal line? Yep. Let's say crossing up. Well, I want to change that. Give it a different sound. And I'll put a one on this. I'll just put an alert on the first one. Claude. 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 I have Claude integrated. What's going on here? Uh, my Tradingview doesn't want to connect to two or three different things. I have Claude. Claude is integrated with my Tradingview and MT5, and it can see those platforms, and it runs an analysis on MT5. It sees everything that's on the chart, and then Claude will it'll do an analysis on the gold, and then by itself it changes the gold chart to the Nasdaq chart, and it does an analysis on Nasdaq. It gives me a trade suggestion when it runs the analysis. I have it generate a morning brief when I get up in the morning before Shanghai opens, and it sends that to my email. That's automatic. That's automatic. It's automated. I don't have to do it. It just does it every day, Monday to Friday. And then it runs it on the H4 chart, so I get the big picture for gold and Nasdaq. And they send that. Claude sends that to my. And then for this analysis, I run that on the 10-minute time frame, and I can run that myself two or three times a day whenever I feel like it. It's pretty cool, Claude. It's really it saves me a lot of time. It can see everything that I'm looking at, analyzing the chart. Claude can do that in just a few seconds. Tells me all the highs and lows, the resistance and support, what the stochastic is doing. It brings out the news, the high impact news, everything. It looks at everything, all in about just a few seconds. It's amazing. So we got another 7 minutes. Now, before went live, this trend line was right there, and I could have taken a trade on this candle here. That would have been a valid trade setup according to the strategy. But I'm already in a trade since back here, so I'm really kind of waiting. I don't want to do it, like 15 minutes before London opens. So I'd rather just wait and let's see what happens when London opens. Where is everybody? It's just you and me, Alex. I guess because it's Friday. I know Howard doesn't like to trade on Friday. He says it's give back day. But he was trading last Friday. I remember that. So another 5 minutes before London opens. And the internet seems to be working okay today. It's not raining today. Yesterday we got hammered. Boy, monsoon. And today is the last day of the month. So Monday will come in and it'll be a new month starting August. And oftentimes we see on the last day of the month, we see a lot of profit taking, especially on gold. That might be what's happening today. And it might continue. I think we'll see lower prices on gold in the New York session. Maybe take out that previous day low. Had a good trade last night in the New York session. Remember, we were talking about this one. I went long on this, and I had my stop loss right around the 41.18, and it hit that just $3 above, just a little bit above, and then fell down. Right in here, I think I went long in here somewhere, and we were talking about it. Would it go to the previous day high? And sure enough, it did. It usually does, actually. That's very common. It will go up there and grab that liquidity and then fell down. I didn't take the reversal though. Could have done, could have, should have, would have, but didn't. I was really happy with this one long trade that I took. That's why I marked those previous day highs and previous day lows. They're really key levels. And that's where the liquidity is, and that's where the market will go. The market needs liquidity to make the big trades, to move in the direction that the institutions and the central banks want to go. So that's what they do. I always mark those on the chart. Even on NASDAQ. I don't know that it's so important on NASDAQ, but I do mark them. I think I've got it on NASDAQ. Yeah. Now we've already crashed above the previous day high from yesterday because you can see NASDAQ has turned bullish very clearly. And they crashed above that previous day high from yesterday. So the previous day low is way down there, right? Way down at 26,982. So what we see here is not a liquidity grab, this is a liquidity run. They come up here and take that liquidity and then just run. That's what they've been doing. Those key levels are really, really important. Well, what do we got here? Another 1.5 minutes before London opens. I'm before the top of the hour, 3 o'clock Thai time. 1 hour after London open. London opened right here on this candle, It didn't do anything, and then a little bit of a drop, and now stuck at 4071. What are they going to do? Maybe nothing. Anything can happen, or nothing can happen. Make the candles a little bit bigger. Let's get ready. Let's get focused. Hey, Igo. Good to see you, buddy. Guess what? Luca just arrived in Thailand. How are you enjoying Croatia? Is it good?
Hey,
Nice weather over there? Okay, London is open now, I think. No, I keep saying London is open. Now we get the top of the hour candle, and here they go. What are they going to do? Should I go short on another trade? If I did that, my stop loss would be up here at 4087, a little bit far away. And let me just check the 5 minute chart right quick. That's looking good. Hmm. Top of the hour. Sometimes you get a good move here. I think you're already short on this, aren't you, Alex? I'm short from 4089. This is a pretty big move down here. I I'm already short, so I think I'll wait before I add to a winning trade. Top of the hour, you have to be careful. It can be a fake out, but I believe we are bearish today. I'll just let this other trade run. So I go one short. Okay, cool. So what price did you get, Ago? What price did you go short? Yeah, we got the bearish momentum. Definitely bearish today. So, and is oil going up? Oil is going down. Huh. Interesting. DXY not doing anything. 4071. Okay. Yeah, you need to sit on your hands, buddy. You closed your trade at 4073. Yes, it did. I had the trend line before London opened. I had the trend line over here, right there. And this is London open. It broke the trend line there, so you could have got in right on that candle, 4072, or right on that candle there. Yep, I see where you got in. I'm already in earlier. I got in at 4089 back here. So I didn't take this trade. I was just waiting to maybe add to a winning, but now I'm not going to chase this now. I'm just letting the profit run now. Good trade. Good trade,
Hey,
Huggo. Support one at 4047. Yep, there's 4047. So it's very likely, extremely likely, to at least go to 4047. We do have a minor support, 4058. The major support level is 4047. Thanks for pointing that out, Huggo. But these guys that are in here like now, Alex, they know the strategy, they know where everything is, they know the touch points, all of that. Alex has been following me for a long, long time. Occasionally, somebody will come in and they don't know what's going on, so I explain it, briefly. But Alex is the only one in here now. Very quiet. Sometimes we get 12 or 15 people in here, but very quiet today. So we might even go down to the previous day low, which is 4029. That's not that far away. For gold, that's nothing. That would be cool. Take that out. Be careful, New York, low liquidity. So I go, Luca arrived in Thailand this morning, and now he took a plane directly to Chiang Mai. So I think he's going to be in Chiang Mai for a week, and then he'll come back to Bangkok for a. Put on a little bit of music for you guys. I'll play the DJ today. I don't know if you can hear me over the music or not. So gold's still going down. Now it started. Now this is the US dollar. Now this makes sense. The DXY is going up now. Yeah. That's taking all the pressure off of gold. So if the DXY continues up, and it probably will, then we'll see more downward movement on gold. Great. So we just got this first minor support level here, 4058, and then when it breaks below that, 4047 would be the next one right down here. Just got to sit on our hands and let it go. Okay, you can hear me and the music. Cool. Yeah, it's different from the music I usually play. This is especially for Ago. And now we're getting on our next candle, and the bearish run continues. And we're only 1 hour and 10 minutes into the London session. London started right over here on this little candle. See, they don't usually do too much when they first open. It's that second hour, 1 hour after London opens, that's when they usually really start to kick in. I don't know why that is. But it's pretty common that the first hour is very quiet. And now they're putting it into second gear. Yeah, I know it's club dance music. It's especially for Ago today. Alex, you don't know, Ago is the DJ. He's a well-known DJ that plays all over Asia. He's a very popular DJ. And he's in the nightclubs in Bangkok, Phuket, and I think this is the kind of music he plays, or similar. Wow, look at it going now. Yeah, baby. Take the money to the bank. know where the rest of our guys are, eh? Raj is usually always here, and sometimes Howard, and guys from Africa. I think everybody's taking the day off. But that's okay. Sometimes we get a lot of listeners and sometimes we don't. Yeah, Alex, when you come over to Thailand, we'll take you to the nightclubs where I go is playing. Show you around Bangkok. You guys have a visa free now. You don't need a visa to come to Thailand. Okay, that's the end of that track. It was a long one, 6 minutes and 51 seconds. 40.55 is a pivot point. You reckon? 40.55. Okay, you got some different numbers on your chart. 40.55 right there. I've got 40.58.7 as a minor support level from previous. But it's going. It's on the way. We're only 16 minutes after the hour. Okay, guys, I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to close it down for today. TGIF. Thank goodness it's Friday. Thank you two guys for being here. I appreciate it. Anybody else that's following, don't forget to click that like button. And wherever you are in the world, I hope you have a great day. Spider-Man. It's got a 98% rating on Rotten Tomatoes. It's supposed to be very, very good. Anyway, enjoy your trading. And now we've got good trades going. So let's sit on our hands and let the profit run. Okay, see you again next week.